Hello everyone, my name is Dipshika Singh and today we have one expert, Tejasvi Juru, who is going to talk about scarification and stratification. So before going directly to the topic, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Tejasvi Juru and I am from Telangana state. I am currently pursuing BSc Honors Agriculture third year.
So if we hear these terms scarification and stratification, it sounds very technical. So can you explain it in very easy words?
Okay, but before going directly to the terms of scarification and stratification, you must know about the topic of dormancy. So, dormancy, it is the state of the seed uh, which it prevents the seed from germinating even under favorable conditions. Like if we provide certain temperature and moisture, also the seed cannot germinate. So, to break the dormancy, we have two processes called stratification and scarification. So basically, scarification is the process to soften the seed coat to make it possible to permeable to water and gases. So by rubbing on a rough surfaces, the seed we rub on a rough surface to soften the seed coat like tamarind. So if we take tamarind has a hard seed coat. So if you rub on a rough paper or on a rough surface, so the seed upper layer of the seed can be softened and it makes it possible to the permeable to certain water and gases. So stratification is the process where we affect the seeds into very higher temperatures or very lower temperatures. So if we take the stratification process, it is used mainly in the temperate crops like apple, pear, peach, apricot, etc.
Okay, so now we know about the scarification and stratification. Can you briefly explain the procedure of these techniques?
Yeah, in the scarification process, we go for pre-drying, pre-soaking, pre-washing of the seeds. Like in pre-washing of the seeds, like we wash the seeds for certain minutes in water. Certain inhibitants are there on the upper surface of the seeds. So by washing it, the seed can be free from these inhibitants and can grow and can germinate properly. And in pre-drying, drying these seeds to reduce the moisture, we use we we use this technique in about 40 to 45 degrees Celsius to dry the seeds. Pre-soaking the tamarind seeds, we can soften that upper layer of the tamarind seeds and it can able to germinate. And there are many stratification methods like pre-chilling and outdoor stratification, refrigeration stratification, and we also use certain chemical treatments, and we also use seed treatment methods in stratification process. Like in chemicals, we mostly use thiourea, which is where the concentration of thiourea is 1 to 2%, and also we use potassium nitrate and sodium hypochlorite chemicals, and we also use hormonal treatments. Like in this, we use gibberellic acid and certain kinetins and cytokinins also we can use in this stratification process.
So, can you give some examples of fruits and plantation crops where we can use this scarification stratification technique?
Like I said before, in scarification, we mostly use mango and citrus fruits, and also watermelon. And also, apart from these plantation and fruit crops, we also use the scarification process in leguminous crops also. And in stratification process, uh, for example, in fruit crops like the temperate crops, we do mostly like apple, pear, peach, apricot, etc.
Okay. Thank you so much, Tejasvi. Thank you for watching our video.